Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to be trying out, it's a new box from Physicians Formula and they are Baby Butter Box. The Murumuru Baby Butter Box from Physicians Formula. And it has a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter, an eyeshadow duo, their little perfume, and a lip gloss. So, I've already put on a foundation, and I did my eyebrows because they're not in here. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to try this out and see how good it is. It's not the same as the Casey Holmes one. I already looked. It looks like it's the same lip gloss, except a different color. So, anyways, I will show you all of them. I don't know if they'll fall out. This is the bronzer, and this is the blush. Looks like it's kind of peachy. And then this is the highlighter. And this is the eyeshadow duo. And this is the lip gloss. And it is quite orange. And then I will show you the one in the Casey Holmes palette. This one's the one we're trying today. And this is the one from the Casey Holmes. So, I'm super excited because I loved the Casey Holmes stuff. So, this is just going to be even better. Right? And I'll have everything that, even what I already have on, it will be listed below. In case you just want to know. So, let's get started. Let's start with the bronzer. So, and I didn't do any of the Scott Barnes method where I put the contour underneath because I wanted to give this a fair shake. Oh, it's powdery. I can see it floating around. So, we're doing it the old method. I really like using the Scott Barnes method, but when I was using all powders, I didn't think it would be very fair to already have stuff underneath. See how bright and shiny this is? It's almost peachy. So it's way different than the one that's in the Casey Holmes palette. It's a little too light, I think, to contour my nose. So I may go back in with something else. Maybe not. We're trying this, right? Alright, so now let's go in with the blush. And it is the Natural Glow. See how natural it is. I don't even see it. You guys see it? Well, that's natural, huh? Wow, I see it flicking in the air. I just don't see much color. Oh well. I guess we don't need much color, right? This is a very light one, and I didn't see a choice of colors, like light or dark. I know that Physicians Formula doesn't like make huge amount of colors, but they usually have like light and dark. I could see the peach there for a minute. Alright, let's go in with the highlighter. We'll use the fan brush for the highlighter. I can see that. I just really feel like I need more brown. So I may go back in and contour with something else because it's just not dark enough, I don't think. And then I'm going to take this and just blend all that together. I'm going to use my Tarte Pro Glow, this one right here, just to contour my nose, and maybe a little bit right here. And then I'm going to go back in with the highlighter. Oh, I am going to take this and go under my lip. And then I'm just going to take some of the highlighter on my finger. See how pretty it is? And just put it on my nose and my lip. And then take my dual fiber brush and make it look like it was meant to be there. Okay, that looks pretty good, I think. Oh, I was going to put a little contour on just to add a little depth there and there. Yeah, I'd have to say that this color of bronzer is not my thing. It's just a little too orange, peachy orange, instead of, you know, tan orange. Okay. Let's do the eyes. So I'm going to start off. First, I'm actually going to put on my primer. My Essence I Love Color Eye Base onto me eyes. We're going to go in with the light color here and just put it all over the whole lid. Now I'm going to take my Morphe 504 into the darker color and just put it in the crease. I think this is supposed to be a kind of natural bronzy look. No? Because none of these colors, these are never going to be my favorites because they're just not that pigmented. This is very gold and light and dusty. The dusty doesn't bother me though, but the fact that it's so light, I think I'm going to take some of that bronzer and use it on my eye because this is so light. It's basically straight up gold glitter, which it's not bad, it's just too light. It's just not good either, which is too bad because the Casey Holmes ones are great. And I would recommend getting the Casey Holmes ones. You get bigger palettes. The only thing is, these are nice because you can remove them and you could travel with them. I wish they would make Casey Holmes in these little baby ones, because hers are so much more pigmented. And they're just better colors too. For me anyways. Yeah, I'm just not impressed with this. eyeshadow. So I'm going to go into the bronzer, and I'm going to add that to my, at least my outer corner, probably all the way across the crease. Okay, I'm going to go in with the highlighter now. With my finger, just going to add it to the inner corner. Yeah, I'm just not feeling these. They're just not nearly as good as the Casey Holmes palettes were. I can make it work. I just have to go in with some more product. I'm going to go off camera and finish my eyes. I'm going to do my liner and my lashes, and then I'll come back and we'll do the lipstick or the gloss. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back, and we are going to do this little cocktail for our lips, because everything else in here has been very natural, and I tried this on my hand, and it's very, very sheer. So what we're going to do, we're still going to use it because it feels good, but we're just going to put a little something underneath it to give it some more oomph. I'm going to take this MAC lip liner in Naked Liner, and that's very naked. And I'm basically going to color my lips with this. Anyways, and now we're going to go in with some Tiramisu from Rimmel liner and line my lips. And now we're going to go in with our butter baby. Ugh. Right over it. It's super creamy. See, I got like a chunk. That's why I use my finger. But it's pretty now. It's very nude. And it would have been like not even there if I hadn't put the MAC underneath it. So, I'm done. This is it. This is all we're going to get. I'll put some of the perfume on too. I don't think I have any perfume on. Hope not. Oh, it smells good. Very summery. So, I am not impressed. It wasn't a very fun Friday because it was too much work. Because I just think that, for me, I would rather spend the extra $5 and get the Casey Holmes palette. You get just as much stuff. It's not in these little compacts, which makes it much nicer, but this stuff isn't as good as hers. So I wish they would make hers in these little compacts so that you could travel with them or whatever, just store them easier. But yeah, this one isn't as good as hers. None of it is pigmented. Hers is great. And this one was just very lackluster. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Also leave comments of what you'd like to see in future Fun Friday videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!